The confusing thing about this question is that it says the example numbers, but really what it should say is using these numbers. So if it didn't say example numbers are 24, 1, 4, 3, 4 and 5, then it wouldn't be as confusing. So when you use these numbers, it makes more sense. So if you get a 4-digit number and then it says that he splits the password into two-digit integers where x equals AB and y equals CD. And then it says, for example, if A equals 4 and B equals 5, then x equals 45. And x plus y equals 24 and xy equals 143. So it's a little bit annoying, to be honest, that it says for example. But anyway, here's how you solve it. So if x equals AB and you know that x plus y equals 24, why does it equal 24? And x, y equals 143. So the fact that A equals 4 and B equals 5 is just an example. So we don't actually know what these are. So that was the confusing wording. So we're going to use these numbers. Now, I've taught you this in the lesson that you want to find a constraint. So you've got to use this one, rearrange it and substitute into here. So you can write y equals 24 minus x. So I've got my constraint. Then if I substitute my constraint back in, I get x bracket 24 minus x equals 143. Voila! I've got a quadratic. I'm going to rearrange it so there's 0 here, x squared here, negative 24x plus 143. Now you just use the GDC or factorize. If you factorize it, you should get x minus 11 and x minus 13. So therefore x equals 11 and x equals 13. Then if I substitute these back in here, y has to be 13 and y has to be 11. Job done.